In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Partner with Anthony program and hopefully answer all your questions so that you can make the best decision for you and your business. Hey everyone, my name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. Welcome to my video. Like I said, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete review of the Partner with Anthony program, give you a walkthrough, hopefully answer all your questions so that you may be able to make the best decision on whether or not this will work for you. But quickly before I get into this, I just want to say if you're new to my channel, make sure you click that big red button and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my other videos on how to make money online, get your side hustle on, or even just improve your skills as a marketer. All right, so the Partner with Anthony program, if you don't know anything about it, primarily what it is a training platform. And the best way to describe it is the program was developed by Anthony Morrison, who's been a very successful online entrepreneur since about 2006. And he has developed this program over the years of his teachings. He's taken what has worked with his students and created this all-encompassing program. So even you, as possibly a beginner, can get started, partner with him, where he actually shares a lot of his assets, his knowledge, his email swipes, opt-in pages, everything like that. He shares that with you to give you the best opportunity to start and grow your business and see real success. So I'm gonna just get into my computer here, and basically this is a quick view of the back end, the Partner with Anthony dashboard. So you can see it's just a clean layout, so it's not hard to get distracted by all the bells and whistles. All your sessions, all the sessions are broken down. You can see there are 30 sessions currently. More are added frequently. And each session is broken down into bite-sized modules that provide video training for you. And these trainings, they're conducted by Anthony Morrison himself. He also brings in guest teachers as well that teach areas that they may be more expert at than Anthony. But it is all very detailed, very easy to follow and understand training that covers everything from getting your business set up the proper way, getting the correct tools so that you can get started with the business. Like any business, there are essential tools that are needed to run a business. And then he also covers things like email marketing, how to write a good email, headlines, content, to optimize and improve your open rates and click-through rates, running Facebook ads, running solo ads, setting up and running a YouTube channel and videos. These are all different avenues that he teaches you so that you can leverage this knowledge and really grow and build your business and scale it up to something that can be sustainable long term. And so again, with this program, the Partner with Anthony program, it's all encompassing. But in addition to this, you get to tap into the Morrison education platform. Currently, when you get signed up with the Partner Anthony program, you get access to the Success Connection, which the Success Connection, I'll show you that here. So this is the Morrison education platform. So you have the Success Connection here. And what this is a weekly coaching that takes place every Thursday night by Anthony Morrison himself, where it's just a general coaching session. It's not specific to the Partner with Anthony program. All his students are welcome to use the Success Connection, but it allows you additional training to help further your business and success. You also get access to all these other available courses and software programs that Anthony Morrison has developed and designed. Some are paid, some are a small monthly fee. and some are free as well. And so with all this, when you get signed up with the Partner with Anthony program, what happens is you get plugged into this ecosystem where Anthony has developed this to provide the assets and resources for you to truly make good business decisions, grow your business, and really try and find that success that everybody wants in their own personal life. Now, in addition to just getting the assets that Anthony Morrison has developed, like opt-in pages, email swipes, etc., what he also offers is a fast traffic platform where you can actually tap into the traffic that Anthony is personally using himself. So you can buy clicks and shares from the exact traffic that he's using to help also grow your business that much quicker. So as you can see, there's a lot to this program. When you partner with Anthony, you truly are partnering with him. I've gone through this training. As you can see, I've done 100% completed. I have learned a ton from this program, and I know anybody at any ability level, beginner up to the experience, will learn something out of this program. And one of the questions I've been asked a couple times is, what does this program promote? What are you selling with this program? Well, this is the great thing. You can promote the Partner with Anthony program if you wish. You don't have to, but you can. But the best part is you can take all this knowledge that you're learning and apply it to any other affiliate marketing program out there or product, and do the exact same thing that you're learning here, apply it to another product, and generate success that way as well, so that you can soon be crushing all those leaderboards that everybody's fighting for. So I hope you got something out of this video. Hopefully it answered your questions. If not, please leave your questions down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And also, if you got some value out of this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and a share. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that big red button and subscribe. And then if you do want to get started in the Partner with Anthony program or learn more information, all you have to do is click the very first link in my description, and that'll take you to where you need to be, so you can either get started right away or just get some more information. So again, I'm going to wrap this up. My name is Nate Valline with natevalline.com. I appreciate you for watching this video, and make sure you keep an eye out for future videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.